Maya Angelou, Cage Bird, a poem from Shaker. Why don't you sing? A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream to the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still. And his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the cave of dreams. His shadow shouts a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Maya Angelou's Caged Bird from Shaker. Why don't you sing? Maya Angelou is an American poet, memoirist, and civil rights activist. She published 7 autobiographies, 3 books of essays, several books of poetry, and was credited with a list of plays. Movies and television shows spanning over 50 years. She received dozens of awards and more than 50 honorary degrees. Angelou is best known for her series of 7 autobiographies which focus on her childhood and early adult experiences. The first, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, written in 1969, tells of her life up to the age of 17 and brought her international recognition and acclaim. Wikipedia. Oprah Winfrey owes a lot to Maya Angelou. My first poem I ever heard of hers was actually a cover of Still I Rise by Ben Harper. Alicia Keys did one too on piano. I only saw her reciting a poem for Bill Clinton's inauguration. I only later learned that it was on the Pulse of Morning. For your incredible career, gifts, and contributions, Maya Angelou, I am Vito Starr reciting your poem, and I thank you sincerely for your inspiration upon writing my own book of poems, referred to as the Rhymetics. Your sincere inspiration, and I thank you for everything. Your memory is so cherished.